Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Minecraft mods from Modrinth. Let's get started. First, close Minecraft and open a web browser and go to modrinth.com. Then click Discover Mods to browse all available mods or use the search bar to find something specific like a minimap mod. You'll also need a mod loader, which is easiest with the Modrinth app. At the top, click Get Modrinth app, then download. Once downloaded, open your download files or folder, then double-click it and run the installer like any other application. Then follow the prompts, then choose the destination folder and complete the installation. When the app opens, sign in with your Minecraft account and click Add Account, then enter your details and you're ready to browse mods. Now click Discover Content, then Mods. You can scroll and search for a mod. For example, type Minimap, then click Add to an instance. An instance is a group of mods. You can add one or multiple. Create a new instance, give it a name, and click Create. You'll see your mod listed in the instance. You can also add more mods by clicking Install Content in the top right, then like Simple Voice Chat. Once your mods are added, click play, then Minecraft will launch with all your selected mods. For example, the minimap will appear in-game and voice chat will work if added. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.